Determined.
Opinionated.
Justice.
I think being opinionated has really allowed me to kind of see the world in an easier perspective because it allows me to form easier opinion on things. And I think that everybody should be opinionated on certain things that they believe in.
I think I'm determined to do what I can to help people right now and do it on a more larger scale in the future. Right now, I'm a part of a student-led organization called Community, and we've been helping all kinds of different people in the Klong Toei area and all around Bangkok by holding fundraising events for different charities.
对我来说，这个奖项是一个帮助我成长的机会。我觉得香港大学是一所名扬世界的国际化、多元文化的大学。我觉得在这个平台上，我会有更多机会与来自世界各地的人建立关系，分享知识与想法，同时跟更多人做朋友。我认为我会从这个奖项中收获很多，使我成为一名优秀的学者。一位世界公民，以及一个更好的领袖。
HKU means like more opportunities and opening more doors as well as broadening my perspective because to me HKU really provides me with the opportunity to interact with like so many like-minded and passionate people all over the world, and I think they can really give me useful insights on what people all around the world may be suffering from or their experiences, and it can really broaden my perspective and allow me to grow as a person.
I'm really looking forward to this summer camp about law in particular, and you get to not only learn about the study itself, you get to go to an actual law firm and just see how it plays out in real life, and it's really interesting.
目前我正在学习成为一名优秀的医生，我想要开发便宜无风险的家用药物，以防低收入的家庭无法获取足够的药物，从而导致可以避免的悲剧。而我的最终目标就是为所有人提供平等的药物以及医疗服务，无论他们的年龄与社会状态。
I'm Professor Bennett Yim, Director of Undergraduate Admission and International Student Exchange at the University of Hong Kong, and the Chairman of the Board of the HKU Academy for the Talented. I'm most delighted to welcome you all as new members of the Academy. The Academy was established in 2011 under the management of the HKU Admission Office with an aim to provide high school students with exclusive learning and cultural exchange opportunity at HKU. We are particularly proud to have Singapore International School of Bangkok as a new supporting partner to nominate students. Being one of the top schools in Thailand, have nurtured many excellent students and IB top scholars over the years. And a few of them have also joined the HKU to study in various programs. We also believe our goal and objectives are aligned education ethos, which is to pave the path for every student aspiring to be a scholar, a leader, and more importantly, a global citizen. Once again, my warmest welcome to you all as a new member of the HKU Academy for the Talented. We look forward to seeing you all at our programs and activities.